Well, good morning. Yes, I'm driving. It just dawned on me. Oh, I was going to do a comment before I left, but we ended up leaving in a big hurry. So, yes, I'm in the car. Brent's got Blondie down at Traveland and in Kelowna. And he's off doing his thing today, and I'm taking Wrigley to the vet. Has some teeth that are not in very good shape. Anyways, they're gonna clean them. Hopefully, they gave me a quote including extraction, so I'm hoping that doesn't have to happen. Hopefully, they can just get the plaque off her teeth, and it'll be wonderful. And while Wrigley's in doing that, Bailey and I are gonna go into Cranbrook, and yeah, the big town around here, and I'm going to pick up a lawnmower because the weed eater just isn't cutting it. So yeah, we've got a full day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, we're just going to get this done today, and we're going to be out all day, and then tomorrow maybe I'll fire up that new lawnmower and cut the grass out front and see what else I can cut. I don't want to cut our new grass yet because it's very soft and very delicate. I've been walking on it, some of it a little bit, but we're going to let it go a little bit longer, and some of the mature grass around it I'm going to hand cut for the time being. Let it all grow in so I don't wreck it. Anyways, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to focus on driving, and because this road is a little bit windy. Well, I thought before I drive, I'm going to do a little commentary. Wrigley's at the vet getting her procedure done. They went through every thorough worst case possibility. Even asked me if something were to happen, that if they had to do CPR, was that okay? I'm like, yes please. Anyways, Bailey's a little bit sad because she's all by herself. Bailey, hi, are you a little bit sad because Wrigley's not there? Get the whole back seat to yourself. I have to go buy a hammock for the car today, was one of the things, because now that we have both vehicles on the road and Brent and I are on sort of different schedules. I take the dogs to the beach and stuff, so I just need something to protect the seats. The hammock that was in here is now in the truck because that's what I was using. So we need one for each vehicle. Anyways, and I got a couple other things I'm going to pick up, so I'm going to get on it and we'll check in with you, and we're on our way back to pick Wrigley up. See what the damage there is. Well, got the girls home, all the treasures we picked up, and Wrigley doesn't know what to do with herself. They said to give her soft food. Wrigley, what's wrong? I know. She's drooling up a storm. They said she might. She keeps staggering. Shall we go upstairs and lie down? Let's go do that, okay? Mom will have some food, and you can have some food, and then we'll go and lie down, okay? Yeah. She was on my bed. I put a towel underneath her chin because she's just saliva drooling. Guess that's what happens when you have dental work done. It happens to me, anyways. Although I think I can control it a little better when we're done. Well, the weather's changed a little bit since yesterday. So I got home, and I just want to share I'm a little disappointed. So I picked up the lawnmower at Home Depot in Cranbrook, and when I had help. The guy put it on the cart for me. He said, I'll meet you at the front desk. And I'm like, okay. And then a young man put it in the car for me while I folded it on the seat so it would fit in the back of the RVR. When I was driving home, for some reason, at one point when I stopped, something falling on my head. At one point when I stopped, I I noticed the outside of the box was all taped up. Like a lot of tape, and it's like was torn here. I'm like, oh, that's not very good. What the hell happened there? Sorry. Anyways, so I got it up on the porch, and which really, you know, laws of levers, just kind of drug and lifted. And so I excited about my new toy, and I took it out of the box, or out of the box, and the plastic is just lying like this. Oh, that's kind of weird. Like it wasn't even really attached. And then so I took it out of the box, put together the grass catcher on the back, and I'm noticing little green specks. I'm like, what the heck? So then I took the rest of the stuff out of the box, and then I noticed there's grass. In the bottom of the box. And the side attachments, the mulcher and the whatever that is, whatever the appropriate name is, was not attached. The battery was not inside of whatever this is. The battery charger was not inside of, I think the battery charger was supposed to be in there, and the battery box was open, and it was in the Ziploc bag. So now I'm thinking, and then I found the instructions just loose in the box, and they, like, corners are bent and stuff like that. So I'm like, someone had taken this home, used it, either didn't like it or whatever, so I'm wondering what is wrong with this machine. And I'm 2.5 hours away from this store. So I've been stewing over this since I got home yesterday. And I've had other things to do today. Apparently indoor things, because this is what happened to our weather. It'll blow over. And so I've been doing this, and Brent's like, do you want me to call? And I'm like, sure. I passed it off because I'm too nice. And I'd be like, it's just the way I am. I'm not hostile towards anybody. But this is upsetting. So I get upset. I don't get typically angry. It seems to run. The battery's fully charged, and it seems to run okay. So I'm going to think that there's something, it's fine. But why would that guy, just because I'm a female, I'm thinking, choose a box that was freaking destroyed as opposed to a box? Like, put this one in the back of the store, and if you run out of the ones that haven't been returned, then you can sell it at a reduced price because it's already left the store once. So yes, I'm a little upset. I don't like when men treat women like we don't know anything and we're stupid. So smarten up. So to finish the story about the lawnmower. Lawnmower works great, and Brent got a hold of the store and talked to the manager, and the manager's like, well, send us some pictures and a copy of your receipt and all that stuff. So I did that. It was a little longer email than they were probably expecting. Anyways, so they did compensate for, the fact that I thought I was buying a brand new lawnmower, and it felt like I wasn't. So that's all good. And Wrigley is much better. Come here, Riggs. Come closer, come closer. Yes, her teeth are all clean. No, stay here. Can you sit? Good girl. Wrigley's got very shiny, clean teeth. Look at those. Look at those teeth. Look at how clean those are. She's like, don't do that, Mom. So we went through like a week or so of shoving pills down her throat. She did end up getting one extraction. But she had a cracked tooth. Yeah. Not sure when she did it. And I
remember before we even moved up here that the vet had kind of said, Wrigley's got a cracked tooth, and we were monitoring it. And when they said it to me again, I went, oh yeah. So while she was out, I just said, before something happens to it, that it's an emergency surgery or something like that, and she gets really sick. So we ended up letting them take it out. She's none the worse the wear, so yeah, the antibiotics was just basically to make sure she didn't get infected. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to share with you this week. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Bye-bye for now. Okay, now I got that adjusted. All right.